So in our department, mechanical engineering, there's 3 sections. There's automated manufacturing, where they learn how to automate manufacturing, design jigs and fixtures, typically for high production industries. There's robotics and automation, which is pretty straightforward, how to build robotic mechanisms and automate, again, machinery. And design and analysis, where they focus more on the design aspects and analyzing everything to do with the design. And also there's typical machining apprenticeship courses here, where they can learn the tool and die, general machinist, mold maker, machine tool builder, integrator trades, and the CNC programmer trade. Typical courses I teach are solid modeling and third-year design project, where the students fix something and design it through from start to end, build the prototype and get it to work, so it's a ton of work. And in that they will use Mastercam to write their CNC programs. And the other main courses I teach are the CNC programming, where there we do basic 2.5D programming using Mastercam and manual methods in the first course. And in the second course we do lathe, manual and Mastercam, and then 3D surfacing, again manual and Mastercam techniques, and then all the way up till 4-axis programming for manual Mastercam. Well, here at the college we also now offer an applied degree in mechanical engineering, mechanical systems engineering, and the program is accredited, so they can get their PEng after they're done this, which is we're only the second college in Canada to have that. And this year's systems design mechanical engineering students won a huge competition in Ontario for all engineering faculty, so we're quite proud of that, how they kicked the university's butt and did well. And they also, within that course, will learn CNC programming using Mastercam. We have very high employment rates. We're usually 94 to 98% placement during co-op or at the end of school. They go to work for all kinds of local industry. A lot of the big automotive makers will hire them. Quite a few from the automated manufacturing will go on and become CNC programmers or a shop. It's quite common, as well as designers. Mastercam is really important to us, and mainly we're driven by what our employers want, and this is what our employers want in this area. Our employers want the students coming out being proficient in Mastercam, and the nice thing here is we can take them into our shop and cut up to 4-axis fully functional. We use in-house books, and we're switching to everything to be online because our college system is growing so fast. We're building a new campus. We have so many locations now we teach out of. We're under a push to get every textbook electronically, and we're switching to that, so the students actually don't have to buy the textbook. The college buys it. The BAJA project they have a lot of fun with. So the BAJA project is just a team that anybody can belong to here at the college. Typically the engineering students are the members, but anybody can join. And what they have to do is design and build an off-road race car. What they're given is a 10 horsepower Briggs & Stratton motor. Everything else they have to build. Every other year, every component on the car must be rebuilt. Every other year they get a new engine, and every other year they can just tweak last year's design. So this year is an entire new build from us, and they've gone to a totally new system, so we're all hopeful that it will work out well.
I'm Nathan Henry.
I'm Jeremy Allen. We run our little BAJA club. The goal is to build an off-road race car to compete in an SAE sanctioned event in the States against about 100 other universities, mostly in some colleges from around North America and the world.
You can't really see it other than kind of how much extra space is next to the seat there, but it's a side engine car this year.
Oh, okay.
So we did that for better kind of overall weight distribution, moves more of the weight forward. Using a CVT this year, so that hopefully we'll be a little more efficient. And
this year we also tried to manufacture as many parts as possible, whereas before, if you look at previous cars, we just scavenged parts from ATVs, dirt bikes, stuff like that. So this year we built pretty much everything. Almost all of the drivetrain components, we built custom gearboxes this year. We did a lot more design work. Mastercams are go-to cam software, that's for sure. Virtually all of the machine parts were made with Mastercam.
at least we should have shaved about 100 pounds off our previous car, which is pretty big when you only have a 10 horsepower engine. And
we also want to beat the University of Waterloo.
That's the little hometown pride thing going.
It's like a 3-day event, and there's all different events. So there's like the first day is purely static. You don't move at all. They judge you on your design. We have a sales presentation, and there's also cost. And then the next day there's like a whole bunch of short events where you just like drive around for about a minute or two over certain obstacles, or there's like an acceleration, see how fast you accelerate. There's a hill climb, and then there's a suspension or rock crawl.
Yeah, rock crawl.
And maneuverability.
Or sometimes there's a towing event where you tow a heavy load over.
And then the final day is a 4-hour endurance race. And so over those 3 days, they score you in each sort of event. They're all worth different amounts. And then at the end of the weekend, whoever has the most points kind of wins. So we were really wanting to do well in the design section of that event, and then everything else is just kind of crazy.
I'm Terry Steckley. I'm taking the Mechanical Engineering Automated Technician course, and I have a whole bunch of years of machining experience as well.
Excellent. And what type of machines have you worked on in the past for machining experience?
Manual mills, lathes, CNC mills, CNC lathes.
Yeah, excellent. With respect to Mastercam, describe the process of learning it. Did you find it easy? Did you find it difficult? What's your experience with learning the Mastercam software?
I found it really easy because I got a lot of machining experience, and that's probably what helped the most. All I really had to learn was how the controls on Mastercam worked.
Excellent. And what type of programs are you creating in Mastercam then in the course that you're in?
We've just done 2D mill, but I'm in the 3D now, so we're doing lathe, and we're going to do 3D and contours and stuff.
Excellent. Maybe talk about Mastercam and why you were interested in taking this course for industry.
This kind of will put me on the next level, machining wise, to get me in the office, maybe middle management type stuff. I've done CNC program before, but just G code, so now this gives me everything that I need to do in a machine shop.
All right.
You said you had machining experience before. Did you have experience with any other software packages before?
No, I've never touched any drawing software or programming software before I started this course.
What type of machining do you see yourself getting into, knowing kind of CAD/CAM now?
The stuff I can get into now would be more 3D milling. I could do before just 2D, simple holes and lines and stuff, but now I can do angles, radiuses, contours of all sorts of shapes and stuff now. So.